For real, for real, for real, for real. This my city, my city. Yeah, yeah. For real, for real, for real, for real, for real. This is my city.
Hey Beavs, and welcome back to StyledByBeaver. Today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm base box for October 2021, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to be showing you how I use the products and how I like them at the end. So if you want to see how I enjoyed everything, definitely stay to the end of the video. So if you don't know, a base box comes with 5 items and you get to choose one of those items. The first product that I didn't show that I used on camera was the Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Wipes. They're Pore Refiner Witch Hazel Cleansing Wipes, 100% biodegradable, and they worked really well. Next is the product I chose for the month. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It's a highlighting serum and I really enjoyed this a lot. I forgot to mention the wipes cost $20 US, and the serum from Glow Recipe is $34 US. But like I said, the serum applied really well. I applied a primer on top of it and it blended right into the skin. It didn't leave any like film or anything, and it gave my skin a nice healthy glow. Next up is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Pump Your Base 2 Multi-Use Makeup Sticks. I got the shades, Jazz and Hip Hop. Jazz is the bronzy shade, Hip Hop is the more nude shade, and I'm going to be using them as eyeshadow sticks. And I really enjoyed these pencils. You're going to see it as I use them. I really enjoyed the nude shade as an eyeshadow base. It worked really, really well. And these cost $20 US. So I'm just applying it onto my eyelids. I'm gonna blend it up with my finger. You can use a sponge or a brush if you want, but I just used my finger. I didn't use a lot just because I didn't want to crease and cake up. I wanted to see how it worked as is. So I just applied a little bit onto both eyelids and blended it out with my finger. Actual set, which I think is so cool. So it comes with this cute mini eyeshadow palette. It comes with these reusable lashes. I'm not gonna wear lashes today, and the next time I wear this, I'll wear lashes. And then it comes with the courtesy eyelash glue, which is really cute. I don't think I'm gonna be wearing the lashes today. I'm just gonna use the palette, because my eyes are bothering me today and my allergies are bothering me and I don't want to have to remove them. So I'm gonna go in with the palette, and here are the colors. I believe it's pronounced Treslúce. Treslúce, I am siempre divina. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm so sorry. Oops. I'm just going to come in and talk to you guys. So there's a mirror, cover the mirror, and it comes with 6 beautiful shades. At first I was so disappointed that I didn't get the Ace Beauty Fall palette, but I'm actually not upset with this palette. It's really pretty, straight to the point, neutral, can't go wrong with it. I'm just gonna go and purchase the Ace Beauty palette. So I'm gonna create a very nice, pretty fall look with this set. And it also comes with brushes, a 4 set of brushes from the same brand. I believe this is, I don't remember her name. One of those singer I don't remember her name, but one of those singer girls. This is her brand, singer actress girls. It comes with 4 brushes. They're really soft. Beautiful, really soft. So you've got like a transitioning fluffy brush, a fluffy, more like a tapered fluffy brush, and another one, and then like like this one. So I'm going to use all of them to create my look. Really pretty. So let's just head into this makeup look. Alright, so I'm going in with the B100 Deluxe Blending Brush. And I'm just going to, actually, was it that one? I believe it was the 100 brush. But I'm going to use the fluffiest brush out of the set. And I'm going into the shade, what was it called again? Resilient. It's a nice warm tone eyeshadow shade. And I'm going to be blending that into the crease. Next, I'm going in with the classic blending brush, and that is the B101 shade brush, and I'm going into with the shade Unstoppable. It's this beautiful rosy pink shimmer shade, and the shimmers are like pink sparkles. I'm applying that to the eyelid with this same brush, and like I said, the eyeshadow base that I use, or the eyeshadow stick, works really, really well. Now going in with the angled blending brush, and I'm going into that black shade, and it's called Fuerte, and that is a beautiful black. Like, I know black is like a questionable color because it can either be really good or really bad. This one isn't chalky. It was really pigmented and blended really, really well. So good job, Treslúce Beauty, on this black shade. And I'm kind of doing a V, and I'm dragging it down to my lower lash line as well. Alright, so now I'm going in with the last brush, which is the rounded pencil brush, and I'm going into the shade Vibrant. It's this beautiful gold shade, a classic gold shade, and I'm going to use that for the inner tear ducts. Here is where you would add eyeliner or lashes if you want to, but I'm going to go off camera and simply add some mascara. Before I do that, I'm going to go back in with that other shadow stick in the shade Jazz. It's a bronzy brown shade. I'm just going to apply that to the lower lash line where I didn't apply the black eyeshadow. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'm taking my glasses off so you can see. I'm wearing a hydrating foundation. It's actually the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating All-Wear Foundation. I'm the shade 390, and I feel like the serum, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Serum, is really glowing through the foundation. It's really good. The eyeshadows, I love them. I love those eyeshadow sticks. It really helps the product to grip on, but I'm going to get into each and everything. Instead of rambling, let me just get into each and everything. So first and foremost, I didn't show you guys me using the Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Wipes, because I kind of just use them to, I just kind of use them to wipe off my face before I apply the serum. And technically, I could have used them to clean up my smoky so that it's a bit more precise. I just used concealer, but if you want a more cleaner line, you could definitely use a makeup wipe. I know we're not really into makeup wipes anymore. I have some specific wipes that I do like, but more importantly, for those days where I'm just super tired and super lazy and I don't feel like going to the bathroom to wash my face into my full skincare routine or my full nighttime routine, I like having some baby wipes, a lip balm, and a sleeping mask just at my bedside table, my nightstand, so that I can do a quick removal, and then I know in the morning I have to do like a full-blown wash and clean and skincare routine. So for the most part, it says a purifying witch hazel wipe, so I really like them so far. No complaints. I've only used them once, but so far no complaints. And like I said, this isn't something I use all the time. It's just kind of there for like quick use when I need it. Okay, so for the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide, Dewdrops highlighting serums are definitely in right now. There's another one I want to try, so I'm not going to tell you about it yet. I still like how my features on the channel, but this one, I like Glow Recipe. My very first BoxyCharm, I got the Banana Souffle Hydrating Face Cream, and that is one of my favorites. I will willingly spend the $50+ on that cream because it is so good and it's so thick and moisturizing, and it smells like banana cream on your face. This serum, I really like it. I love that it has a little sparkle flex in it to give you that hydrating look, or to add to the hydrating look. I love hyaluronic acid. I love those kind of serums, so my face loves it. It makes my skin feel so good and looks so nice and moisturizing. I have oily skin, so I used to shy away from stuff that are super hydrating or moisturizing. From now on, I don't shy away from them at all. So I really like this serum, and I'm really excited to see how well it works with my skin and my skincare routine and my other foundations and face moisturizers. Alright, so let's get into these shadow sticks. It's by it's by Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and it's called the Plump Your Base 2 Multi-Use Makeup Sticks. So I guess it doesn't have to be eyeshadow sticks. Technically, you can use, if this is a concealer shade for you, you can use it to conceal, like whether it's on your eyes or little spots. You can also use it as a brow highlight. I know back in the day we used to do that. I don't think we really do that anymore, but back in the day we used to. I like that it comes with 2, and I like that it is swivel sticks. This one is my favorite because it's like I said, an eyeshadow base, and you saw that I swatched it here. It's kind of rubbed off now, but it worked really well with the eyeshadows. It gave like a nice sticky base and allowed the eyeshadows to stick on it and adhere, and it also blends really well, and I didn't have to set it, which is important because sometimes some eyeshadow bases you have to set them before you apply eyeshadows. And for this one, I used it down here, and I think it looks really nice, and I didn't have to put an eyeshadow on top of it. It just works as well by itself. I don't know if I said the names. So the creamy beige one is called Hip Hop, and then the bronzy shade is called Jazz. So this is something I would definitely recommend for you to pick up. I'm sure they have different shades for you to choose from. Okay, last but not least, I've got the Treslúce beauty products, which I'm super excited about. I can't remember whose celebrity makeup brand this is. I can't remember, but she's of the Latina X. She's a Latina X celebrity. I just can't remember her name. But it's Treslúce Beauty. This brush set comes with 4 brushes. B100 is a deluxe blending brush. B101 is a classic blending brush. B102 is an angled blending brush, and B121 is a rounded pencil brush. So I use this entire brush set to do my eyes, and the brushes are really soft. They're vegan, and they didn't give me any issues. They blended my eyeshadows really well. They picked up the product really well and placed them. I had no problems with blending, and I would definitely say to pick up these brushes if you would like. As for the kit, first and foremost, I'm just really proud of this kit because I think it's so smart for you to have a mini eyeshadow palette, lashes, and then a courtesy eyelash gel. Eyelash glue, I think that's really great for somebody building their kit, or someone that doesn't have a lot of money to purchase multiple items, or someone that just wants one set for like one night, and because you forgot your makeup or you lost your makeup, like let's say the airport loses your stuff, and you can just pick this up in your local drugstore or your local Sephora. I think this is really smart. So the set that I got is the I Am Siempre Divina set. I hope I'm saying it right. This is also vegan. It has blue agave from Mexico, and it's cruelty free. So like I said, I didn't use the lashes today, but it says the lashes are 3D glam lashes. So like I said, I didn't use the lashes today. I'll use them in another, either most likely like a Instagram video, whether it's an IGTV video or a reel. I'll use it then, and then it comes with a little lash glue. I don't know if I'm going to use a lash glue, I'm not going to lie. I'll try it out, but I may just use what I usually use. And then here's the cute palette. And this is the shade. I'm just going to come with a mirror. So it does come with a mirror, and you get 6 beautiful shades. So yeah, these shades are really pigmented. I didn't have to work really hard to create this look. The brushes are really good as well, so it helps blend really good shades. I used only these 4, I used these 4 shades, so I'll try the other 2 shades another time. But yeah, it's a 6 palette. I think it's $25. I'll tell you guys the prices in a bit, but yeah, I think for this price, I think it's really, really good. Like I said, you're getting a 6-pan eyeshadow palette with lashes and lash glue to create a full eye look. I think that's really, really smart. Okay, so let's get into prices. Got my BoxyCharm card here. Okay, so for the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Drops, it's $35 and I'm $34, sorry, and I'm in Canada, so these are US prices. So it's $35 US. For the Treslúce Beauty IMCM Divina set, it is $25 US. So that's really good. I think that's maybe $30-something, let's say about $38 Canadian, which still isn't too bad to get a full mini, well, it's not a full, but a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, lashes, and glue. That's still not a bad price. For the Treslúce Beauty Like an Artista brush set, is $27 US. That is a little bit steep, but they're really good brushes, like I said, and I'm assuming they have either other brush sets that you can mix these brushes with or other single brushes that you can add to your set. So if that's the case, then it's not too bad, but $27 US is a little bit much. The Pinky Rose Cosmetics Multi-Use Makeup Base Sticks were $20 US, and the Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes were also $20 US. So overall, I did originally want a different eyeshadow palette, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not angry with what I got, or I'm not disappointed, I should say, with my BoxyCharm for October. I really like the products that I got. I think they work really well, and I think that I think they work really well, and it was definitely worth the $25 US this month. I think this look came out really nicely. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching. If you are interested in seeing lots more videos, definitely subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you got this same variation for BoxyCharm's base box this month, and which one of the products was your favorite. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. I do have one Halloween look coming up very soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.
He's mine now and truly glad.